Hi friends, welcome back to channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Realme Pad device, whether this tablet will be able to support the stylus or not. This is another question which I'm getting from plenty of users asking me to make a video. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. Let's see whether the Realme Pad will be able to support properly and whether you can actually use any kind of stylus pen on this Realme tablet or not. That's what I'm going to exactly show you. So recently I'm getting a lot of questions on this one. The reason is because the Realme Pad is available for the discount about close to I think 14,000 rupees. You can actually get the discount for about 14k and 14,400 I think, so around that kind of price on the Realme Pad about the 4GB RAM variant and the 4G variant. And to test this demonstration, I did download the application from the Play Store, so you can find plenty of other applications as well regarding the painting and drawing stuff. So I'm not that good at drawing, friends, but I'll definitely try to show you what is the latency and is it kind of worth to use the stylus on the Realme Pad or not. That's what my main point of demonstrating in this video. First, let me to clear everything from the background, so everything is completely clean right now. And first, let's check the latency, how much speed it is in terms of the detecting the touch inputs. That's what I'm going to exactly show you right now. As you can see from the speed, it's not that fast in terms of the detecting. You can see the gap is there. The gap between the my touch input and the line, you can see huge gap distance is there. So it's not that great in terms of the using the stylus on the Realme Pad, especially for the drawing purpose. So maybe for the small activities, it should be kind of good. I mean, to use the touch the Realme Pad should be kind of really good. So not an issue. But when you want to draw something, then that will be a really issue on this one. As you can see, you can clearly use without any kind of scrolling and everything should be fine, completely fine without much problem. Only the problem is that if you want to draw, it may not be that comfortable to draw in this kind of price range. We cannot expect much as well. And in case if you want to know more details about this Realme Pad, what are other things, and you can definitely check out this playlist that will give the clear idea. So now let's draw something out. Let me try to clear everything from the painting. And so as I said, I'm not that good at drawing, friends, so don't judge me on this drawing right now, what I'm going to do. So just I'm going to give the quick idea what is happening in this Realme Pad in terms of the touch inputs, how it was able to detect the touch inputs only. So let me know in the comment section below what are thoughts on the Realme Pad, not on my drawing. So I'm just trying to show you the normal thing, how it looks. I'm not sure whether you will be recognizing this thing. Just I want to draw something and show you what is happening, and let me try to draw something else. As you can see, friends, overall it was kind of good, I would say, in terms of the drawing part, not bad. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other questions on this one Realme Pad, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to do this kind of videos as soon as possible on this Realme Pad very soon. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video and let's stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.